Us weak, tongue-tied to service like shy preteen.
Hi guys, welcome to Creative Bug Ideas and Vlogs. So today in this video we'll learn how to make delays. Before starting the method, watch the full intro and please don't skip the video. For this you will need red colored page, corrugated sheet, scissor, yellow colored glue stick and a correction pen. Let's start making this craft. Take red colored page, fold it in half and glue the ends leaving one side of the page. Now paste it to the other side to make an envelope. Guys, our envelope is ready and now we'll decorate it like a Lay's packet. First we'll make Lay's logo on yellow colored paper. Cut out circle from yellow colored paper. Our circle is ready and now take a red marker and color the middle of the circle with red color and write Lay's in the middle of it by using a correction pen. Lay's logo is ready and now we'll paste this logo on the red packet. While with this packet is like the original Lay's packet, this packet is not done yet and to make more things on the packet so it looks exactly like the original Lay's packet. Now I've written wavy on the packet by using a correction pen. Now we'll make a price tag and paste it on the packet. Our Lay's packet is ready and it looks exactly like the original one. Now we'll make chips by using a corrugated sheet. Cut out circles from corrugated sheets to make chips. Chips is ready and it looks like the original wavy. Chips in the packet. Our Lay's is ready. Which flavor of Lay's you like the most and why? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video then give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Enjoy the cinematics and thanks for watching this video.